Hello. Today we're going to talk about physical pain and which is influenced by emotional pain. See, physical pain is often influenced by emotional pain or psychological stress. This is known as psychosomatic pain. Our mind and our bodies are connected. We know that. So when we experience anxiety, sadness, any emotions, usually it affects our physical body. For example, if we have inflexibility, unbending stubbornness, we'll often have problems with our neck. If we think that we're carrying the weight of the world, we will have problems with our shoulders. If we go into depression, grief, sadness, a loss of somebody we love, something we love, it will affect our lungs. If we have fear, anxiety, it will affect our stomach. If we have fear of going forward in life, making decisions in life, that's for the future. It will affect the hips, the knees, the feet, everything from the waist down. If we have problems with pride, with ego, with needing something, it will affect the knees. So all of this is affecting our bodies. We need to be careful with what we do, what we believe, what we listen to, because all of this emotional pain affects our bodies. Additionally, special events such as marriages, divorce, moving homes, anything like that, losing a job or retiring, and many others, also affect our bodies because this bring up emotions that might have been stored, might have been dormant in our bodies. And as soon as something like this comes up, then all of this gets activated in your body. If you're retiring, you might feel like, oh, I have nothing else to live for. If your child is getting married or you're getting married, it's going to be a change of life. Now things are going to come up. And not everything that happens is yours. That's another thing to pay attention to. Just food for thought. Have a good one. Bye-bye.